Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you the exact steps to set up basic automation rules to save time in your free Freshdesk plan. First, go to Admin in the left menu. Then, select Workflow Automata. On the Automation page, click the blue New Rule button. A rule builder will open. First, name your rule, like auto-assign billing tickets. Now, set the trigger. This is the when part. Click Add Condition. Choose Ticket is created and category is billing. This means the rule runs when a new billing ticket arrives. Next, set the action. This is the then part. Click Add Action. Choose Change Assignee. Then, select an agent's name from the list, like Sarah. This will automatically assign new billing tickets to Sarah. You can add more actions. Click Add Action again. Choose Set Priority and select High. Now, new billing tickets will be both assigned to Sarah and marked as high priority automatically. Finally, click Create Rule at the bottom. Make sure the rule is toggled on. It's now active. And that's it. You've created a rule that automatically assigns and prioritizes tickets based on their category as soon as they arrive. If this automated your workflow, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.